One of the strangest things that I've noticed about trading is that intelligence doesn't necessarily make you a better trader. In fact, honestly, some of the smartest people that I have met, who I've known have gone into trading, they struggle massively. And these are intelligent people, entrepreneurs, business owners, some engineers, highly educated people, analytical people even, and yet they still lose money. And why is that? Because trading isn't some intellectual challenge, it's a very, very psychological one. And interestingly, a lot of the traits that help people succeed in normal careers can actually work against them in trading. So in this video, I want to explain why smart people often struggle with trading and why simplicity, emotional control, and process thinking usually outperform intelligence alone. Intelligent people are usually good problem solvers, right? If something isn't working, they analyze it a bit harder, they think a little bit deeper, and then they gather more information. But markets don't really reward certainty. Markets are very, very uncertain environments, and that frustrates a lot of highly analytical people because they keep trying to eliminate uncertainty when actually the goal is learning how to operate within the uncertainty of the market. And this is probably the biggest issue. Smart people often overcomplicate trading massively. They add more indicators, they do more analysis, more variables, more confirmation, until eventually they create complete paralysis. They can't take a trade. And meanwhile, somebody else is trading a simple system consistently and quietly outperforming them. Trading always rewards simplicity way more than it does complexity. And that is difficult for highly intelligent people to accept sometimes. Smart people are also used to being correct, mostly, right? School rewards correct answers, business rewards competence, but trading doesn't work like that at all. You can be wrong frequently and still make money. And emotionally, a lot of intelligent people struggle with that. They hate losses. They take them personally. They try and avoid being wrong instead of managing risk. A lot of intelligent people that I've met like control. They like predictability, they like logic, but markets are messy. Unexpected things happen constantly, and trading requires a level of acceptance around uncertainty that most people find very, very uncomfortable. The best traders are often surprisingly comfortable not knowing what happens next. Interestingly, the people I've noticed that do very well in trading tend to be process thinkers, calm personalities, logical operators, and emotionally measured people. A lot of the success stories that I've witnessed come from engineering, IT, military backgrounds, because they're comfortable following systems and thinking probabilistically. They don't need certainty, they just need structure. So trading definitely isn't an IQ competition. It's not about who can analyze the most information. It's really about emotional control, consistency, risk management, and patience. And those things often matter way more than raw intelligence, because in trading, the person who manages themselves best often outperforms the person who analyzes the market most. So before you get stuck into learning too much of unnecessary stuff about trading, understand that you just need to learn enough to move forward. And that's exactly how we built Tier 1 Trading. So if you haven't been part of that, go and check that out. And if you're a smart person and you think trading's for you, but you just want to get your feet wet a little bit, you can check out my 30-day trader challenge. I'll put both the links in the description and in the pinned comment. And until next time, let me know in the comments what you want to see on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.